With WordPress websites using plugins, we can set up Google Analytics on all the pages of the website in one go. Let's see how to get this done. We want to measure the effectiveness of our website. How many people come to the website? What do they do? And so on. We want to track our website. We have already installed the Google Analytics plugin. In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Analytics tracking code and use the plugin so that we can start tracking our website. Let's begin. Let us first go to analytics.google.com. We are going to go to the admin of Google Analytics. We are going to create a new account because this is a new website. I click on create new account. Here it is asking me to fill in the details. What is the account name? What is the website name? And so on. Let me fill it. The account name is FarmSmart. The website name is also FarmSmart. I will now enter the URL farmsmart.in. What is the industry to which I belong? Let me select online communities because I want to create a community of smart farming. The time zone is India. I would keep all the other options checked in and I will say get tracking ID. I will accept the terms and conditions. Make sure you read through the terms. Once I click on accept, Google Analytics gives me a tracking ID UA1311237440-1. This is a tracking ID that has been generated by Google Analytics for the website farmsmart.in. I'm going to use this tracking ID and insert it into the Google Analytics plugin that we had just installed on our WordPress dashboard. Let me select this tracking ID so that I can integrate it with the Google Analytics plugin. Now I come back to my installed plugins. I click on Google Analytics settings. In the space for tracking ID, I paste the code which has been generated. That's it. I go ahead and save the changes. Ideally, the plugin is now equipped to track your website. However, especially with this plugin, there are few more changes that we need to do. We go ahead and accept the terms and conditions of the plugin. One important thing with this plugin is we are going to exclude the admin user, the editor, and the author from getting tracked. Let me tell you why this is important. As an admin user of this site, I keep making changes. I add a new blog, I make some changes to the plugins, I make some changes to the theme options, and so on. Now, whenever I make some changes, I test them. Similarly, with the editor of the blog, any changes that are made are tested. Now, Google Analytics plugin is going to track these changes that are getting tested. It is not a correct way of tracking. It can skew the analytics. So generally, you would exclude the admin, editor, author, and the contributor from tracking because they are actually the creators of this site. They are not the real users or the visitors. Now that we have excluded some rules from tracking, we will go ahead and save the settings for the plugin. Now that the plugin is saved, you can be assured that any page on your site comes under the purview of Google Analytics. This plugin has extended the functionality of your blog site to get tracked by Google Analytics.